Okay, so they just drilled out the trunk lock because I do not have keys for it. So here's the inside of the trunk on the 58. Fairly solid. You're gonna need a new trunk pan on the bottom, but what we were just talking about is all your edges are good, so you're not gonna have to do any like folding of metal. It's just literally the very bottom flat work of the trunk. Got some holes here and there, but time to vacuum. We were also commenting about how the whole trunk rail around the back here is good. It's not rotted out. So nice and solid there. And then I believe the deck lid is good as well. Yep, we're good there. You guys can see that it is not rusted. So anyway, that's what's inside of the trunk.